Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the Nikkei 225 and this is the futures for the main index for the Japanese market. So let's check out this one. As you can see right now is somewhere here. This is the weekly chart by the way. So when it's reached somewhere around here, you can see throughout this period here all the way up to here now. This is where we are now. So it was a very strong pin bar here. From here onwards, it will goes all the way up here. So if you notice that I'm using the standard uh, candlestick chart here, so you can actually gauge that how well it is using the slower Heikin Ashi chart here compared to this candlestick chart. So when the price moves down all the way to touches this area, this 200 week moving average. So from here, there's a strong signal, the which we call it this when push down all the way down and just move. Oh wait, use this one easier. So when you push all the way down here, this bar all the way down here, but then throughout the day, throughout the week, it recovers all the way up back to here. So when this happens, is somewhere around here. You can see that the it has shown that the momentum slowing down, and then eventually it turns into a blue candle. So this is a very good buy-in for here because after so many red candles, there's a sudden blue candles is a very good sign, especially when it's around the support areas, especially very strong support areas in this 200 weekly EMA. So from here onwards, it has a strong rebound which lasted for months. This is somewhere around April. From April all the way to now is mid-September. So if you buy in here, you most likely you will buy somewhere around here. Most about let's take the top part, 35,000 level, all the way to now is about 44,000 level. So it's more than 10,000 point if you hold to these futures and carry it forward. Um, it's very profitable if you trade this way. But I don't think there is someone who will trade using the weekly chart for this kind of futures move because it can be risky, um, especially when it's going down 2 weeks and you're still holding the futures. You will feel that what are you doing actually? So let's check out this daily chart. Daily chart for Nikkei, you can see that it's very strong uptrending move. The 60 moving average actually crosses above the 200-day moving average, which is a very good sign. You can see that the price is actually stepping upwards, which is also another good sign. So right now it has somehow exceeded the 60 moving average by quite a bit. Expect some kind of pullback soon, maybe back to this hypothetical line of a 60 moving average. So it should have some kind of pullbacks back to this place, about 42,000 level. So expect to have some kind of serious move backwards. But for now, it is still, oops, for now it's still looking strong. You can see here, it's still uptrending, which you can see from here. This is the sign of a strong upward move. But then just like here, any strong upward move will have some kind of big profit taking. So expect some kind of move downwards from here, maybe a big one. maybe all the way to somewhere around here, and then around rebound upwards while the moving average continues upwards. So yeah, if you have a position here, you can consider taking some kind of profit, and maybe all of it, especially when you see that these two candles shows that there is some kind of profit taking here. Expect some kind of serious move out, selling to happen around here. So if there is really some kind of serious selling, just exit. I will suggest to exit somewhere around here. Not worth holding it all the way up, because based on this previous move, you can see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8 days of uh, strong upward trend, is from here, then it goes down all the way down here about another week. So now it has gone up about a week on the uptrend. Expect another move downwards. So it's looking nice, but this is not the place to enter as a buy. Just take profit area. Expect some kind of move downwards and then continue upwards. So that's based on this previous stair stepping move. So it should have some kind of pullback and go up, pullback, go up. Assuming this trend is intact. But based on this one, everything should be okay. So do not try to buy in at this moment. You can try selling. This is the Nikkei 225 index. Let's check out Dow. Okay, Dow is Dow looks okay. It's quite gone up quite a little bit. It should have a still upward move because candles is above the moving average. So there is a lot of buying here, pushing it all the way upwards. So it don't be afraid to chase it a little bit, but it should come down here. It is a best to enter somewhere around nearer to this like this kind of entry, nearer to the 60 moving average. So expect some kind of move down to this area for entry, but you can go down to a smaller time frame if you want to chase it. But I don't recommend chasing because there's no definite trend at the moment. It's more like profit taking area. So this area could be profit taking. So if you want to try buying in here, the risk is higher for a pullback. So do not try to buy in here. So if you try enter using, assuming that you really have to enter. So okay, you can see this previous line. So expect some kind of move, bounce from here. So just like here. So this is the area for entry. If it goes into this area and then shows signs of rebounding, you can buy in here for a short-term move upwards to retest this place. So if you really have to trade this one, trade with care, just this 60 moving average will be your entry point. You can buy in here and then goes up, buy in here and it goes up. It goes break below it, goes the nearer it is to this one is a very good sign for buy-in, especially when the higher time frame appears to be on an uptrend. So anything that goes near to within this zone, okay, within between this 60 and 200, anything in this area is a very good buy-in. So I think we should change this one to yellow. Yeah. So anything that goes in here is a good buy, and that goes all the way up. You have to take profit somewhere here and not be greedy, because how do you know it will have some kind of pullback, profit taking? based on the previous highs here. So if you buy in here or maybe here or here, then expect some kind of profit taking here, and you can start selling when it's near to here. You can just queue your position and just sell it out and buy in again whenever it touches or goes near to the 60 moving average. So yeah, this is another position. You see here, it goes up all the way here. Profit taking, goes back to test this one, goes all the way down back to this zone, and then goes up again. So expect some kind of move, maybe to this 60 moving average, or maybe into this zone. So if you really have to enter for a short-term trade, you can go to the lower time frame or hourly or maybe 30 minutes, enter when it goes into this zone. So even when it goes into this zone, you have to look for any signs of strong rebound like this kind of strong rebound with big candles. Maybe these small candles will do also, but I prefer big strong momentum rebound. Okay, let's see another one. Bitcoin, shall we? Okay, weekly chart for Bitcoin. You can see that Bitcoin is weekly chart appears to be slowing down. Pullback. You can see after the strong upward trend, pullback, and then weaker upward trend, and then another pullback. So you can see the momentum is slowing down here. Will it actually be supported by this position? So if this position is supported and blue candles appears, it might be a buy signal, because as you can see, this is the where it helps. Okay, this is where it is down there. So if this position is supported, or this way here supported, then a strong breakout, it is a very good sign for buy-in. It might go up all the way upwards. So for this is the weekly chart, by the way. So if you are holding it for long term, this is a very good buy, especially when there's a blue candle. Let's look at the daily chart. Daily chart, it shows that it is slightly out of the buy zone. This is the buy zone, as previously I mentioned. Everything that goes into this zone is a good buy. So this is very strong previous resistance area. Every time it touches this area, it has a pullback. So right now, it has gone into this zone and then break out again. So expect some kind of pullback to retest this 60 moving average before continuing upwards and retest this zone. So if you're buying this one to maybe in the short term, maybe try to reach 124,000 level, you can try it, because there's a strong trend here. You can see there's a strong trend. It's possible to touch this area, possible, but not 100%. So best entry is within this zone. This right now is very near, but it's not within this zone. So if you miss this one, you can just wait for another pullback before entering again. So it should be early September to enter this one. By the way, I'm recording this one on the 14th of September 2025. It is 12:05 a.m. right now. So I will be away on a trip next month, October 6th, or from October 6th onwards, about 1 week plus, to China's Xinjiang province. So won't be around to post anything. Even my video right now is very limited. I'm not trying to post too much, just sufficient. So let's check out the gold right now. Gold is a very strong uptrend, as you can see, been ongoing for quite a long time. So very strong. Most of the pullback did not touch this 60 MA for now. So it has been ongoing since early 2024. So where will it go? You can see here is a very significant area. They have a very strong consolidation area for a very long time, since also around April or May, been consolidating all the way here, consolidation. But then something happened. It break above this one. This breakout is looking good because you can see the momentum is here. Candles getting bigger, very strong. So it should continue upwards. So expect moves to go upwards. This is weekly chart, but then because it's quite far away from this moving average, I expect some kind of breakout further and then move downwards, maybe supported from here and then continue upwards. That is what I want to look at for if there is any attempt to enter here. So it should be around late October or early November. Just another pullback to this zone and then go back upwards. But this is just hypothetical position. Yeah, hypothetical entry position. So you have to decide whether you want to enter this one or not. It's taking time. Why is it so slow? Something went wrong at this. So maybe I'll just end it here. Okay, it's too late for now. Good night, everyone. So check out my older videos and subscribe and share it out. Thank you.